Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Pipedrive easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in pipedrive.com and press enter. Once the Pipedrive homepage loads, look for the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you can create an account. Here, you can either enter your email address and create a password or choose to sign up using an existing Google account. If you choose to sign up with email, fill in your email address. Next, create a strong password that meets the required criteria. After entering your email and password, click on the Get Started button. Once you click Get Started, you may receive a confirmation email. Check your email inbox for the Pipedrive confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided inside. This will redirect you back to Pipedrive to continue your registration. Now, you will be prompted to enter your company information. Fill in the necessary details such as your company name and phone number. After completing this section, click on the Next button. You will now be asked about your role in the company. Select your role from the provided options. Once selected, click Next to proceed. Next, Pipedrive will ask a few questions about your sales process. Answer these questions to help tailor your experience. After completing the questionnaire, click Next. You may now choose from various subscription plans. Review the options and select the one that best fits your needs. Finally, click on the Start Trial button to complete your registration. Congratulations, you are now registered with Pipedrive. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.